What does SoftStartRV do and how does it work? Compressor motors are connected in a way that lets them draw as much power as required to get up to speed quickly. Because of this design, the motors require a massive current surge when they start. On each motor identification plate, there's a notice called LRA. This is an abbreviation for locked rotor amps and is the maximum current the motor can draw, according to the manufacturer. During a typical start, you can expect your compressor to draw this current from the supply. RV rooftop 16,000 BTU compressors are rated around 50 to 60 amps. A standard 2,000 watt inverter generator is estimated at about 2,000 watts peak, which is about 16.7 amps. The generator will not start a load that draws 4 to 5 times its peak rating. The solution is to reduce the peak LRA. So we created SoftStartRV. It's designed to connect directly to the compressor motor and reduce the power surge that occurs on startup. It achieves this by gradually increasing this power until the compressor is running. This increases the time it takes the motor to get up to speed and creates a very smooth start that reduces the peak current by up to 65 to 70% or more. A rooftop 16,000 BTU compressor can now start with under 20 amps of current.